you tired of crowded tourist destinations? Looking for a truly unique and liberating experience? Well, we've got just the thing for you. And yes, wardrobe of any kind is optional. Welcome to Exposing Serenity, Unveiling Nature's Nude Paradises. In this video, we'll explore some of the most beautiful destinations where you're allowed to be nude. So bring just some sunscreen and flip-flops, and let's go. Our first stop is the stunning Black's Beach in San Diego, California. With breathtaking cliffs and golden sands, this secluded paradise offers a clothing-optional experience you won't find anywhere else. Feel the warmth of the sun and the cool ocean breeze against your skin as you embrace the freedom of being one with nature. Next up, we head to the mesmerizing Wreck Beach in Vancouver, Canada. Surrounded by lush forests and picturesque coastal views, this clothing-optional beach provides a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of crashing waves while basking in the glorious sun. But the natural wonders don't stop there. Our journey takes us to the magical Almayate Beach in Malaga, Spain. Nestled along the beautiful Mediterranean coastline, this secluded spot is perfect for basking in the warm Spanish sun, surrounded by crystal-clear waters and pristine sandy beaches. Before we reveal what the last beach is, I found it appropriate to list some honorable mentions that were not on the list today for no other reason other than the lack of time. But if you're a naturalist, these are some hot destinations that you will want to add onto your bucket list of destinations. If you enjoy this video thus far, please like, comment on the video, and, absolutely, share this video. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any videos in the future. For those seeking an exotic adventure, nothing compares to the enticing Cap d'Agde in France. This renowned naturist village offers a unique atmosphere where clothing is entirely optional. Explore the vibrant streets, indulge in luxurious resorts, and embrace the carefree ambiance that makes this destination truly extraordinary. Now that you've discovered these hidden gems, it's time to bid farewell to your inhibitions and immerse yourself in the serenity of nature's nude paradises. So pack your sunscreen, leave your worries behind, and embark on an unforgettable journey into freedom and tranquility. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unique travel experiences.